our action. They still have kids over there?
Yeah, they have the daycare running still, I guess.
Let's see. How many people are in right now?
You can see. Let me see how you do this, Kelly.
Online.
30 subscribes. Somebody else just subscribed, so somebody's probably in there.
Live. We have one person. Oh, I think that's me. Oh,
That's
no,
you.
it's not me. We have one person watching.
What happened? Okay. Just run through it quick then, right? Can they talk to you? You can just hear them. Right here. Hey, transfer the calls to me, okay?
Hi, and welcome to our Thursday student orientation session for Blackboard. Before we begin, I always like to introduce our team. We have Dr. Emery Somnerain, who's our Director of Online Education. We have Manuel Garcon, who is our System Administrator. Carlos Rivero, who is our Student Support Specialist. We have Erica Ballard, who is our online academic advisor, and myself, Kelly Bravo. I am your student support specialist here at FNU Online in the Blackboard department. Okay, as you can see on the screen, you are always able to contact us at the following phone numbers. So I will give everyone a minute just so you can write down or take note or a quick picture of the following information. Okay, so let's continue. What are the advantages to online education, online learning? The main advantage to online education is the flexibility that it offers you in your day-to-day life. One of the main advantages to online education is that any current online student does not have their education interrupted by any current event or anything that's going on in the world. For example, coronavirus. So that is definitely an advantage that our online students have. Another advantage to online education is that students in an online setting truly do have an equal opportunity. They have an equal playing field. What does that mean? That means that if you're a student who might be shy or you might not feel as comfortable discussing topics or your opinions in front of a class, you are able to, express your opinions, your thoughts, your ideas in a discussion board forum with your classmates. Another advantage to online education is that while you are currently taking online courses, whether you know it or not, you are improving your skills and knowledge. So, in that sense, you are learning new platforms, new applications, whether it's your professor introducing new platforms, utilizing new softwares, whether it's utilizing Turnitin or SafeAssign or Lockdown Browser, which is a plagiarism checker. Okay? So how do we log into Blackboard? First of all, Blackboard is our LMS, our learning management system that we utilize for online courses. And the main way to log in is you can go through our university website. That would be at www.fnu.edu. And once you are on our university website, you will see that we have an online learning tab. In that online learning tab, we actually have a drop-down menu where you will be able to see an option that says Blackboard Login. That is one way to log in. The next way to log in, which is actually my preferred way and what I actually recommend to all of our students, is to log in directly to our website, which would be fnu.blackboard.com. This is the most direct way, and it gives you access to your courses and resource centers within Blackboard. I do want all students to know that Internet Explorer and Safari are not compatible with Blackboard, and you will experience technical difficulties. What does that mean? That means that, let's say, for example, you have a Mac computer and Mac's default web browser is Safari. You will run into issues. That does not mean that you cannot utilize your laptop or your iPad. That just means that you have to download either Google Chrome or Firefox, okay? Google Chrome and Firefox are our recommended web browsers. Now, we move on to the example of when you are actually on our login screen, you will see two things. You will see username and password. Okay, you will be asked for your username or password. Your username, in this case, we're using a student by the name of Jonathan Doe as an example. Jonathan's first name and last name will be utilized, as well as the last four of his student ID number as his username. How so? Your username, and I say this usually, your username is usually the first letter of your first name plus your last name plus the last four of your student ID number, then at stu.fnu.edu. And why do I say that's usually your username? Because for students that maybe have more than one or two last names, the system will either create your username with all of your last names or sometimes just utilize the first two. In that case, always please verify that you have the correct username, okay? And for your default password that is created by the system, it is usually the first letter of your first name capitalized plus the zip code, your campus zip code, plus the last four of your student ID number. For example, if we are utilizing our example student, Jonathan Doe, the first letter of his first name capitalized is a capital J plus the zip code of his campus. So the student is currently attending the Hialeah campus. That would be 33012 plus the last four of his student ID number. And as we can see in the example, the student's ID number is 0000001234. So this student's default password created by the system is a capital J 330121234. Okay? Here we have just a very quick login reference sheet. Again, our phone numbers, our online help desk information is right there. Should you ever need to contact us, please go ahead and do so with the following information, okay? We, our online department here at Blackboard, we have our FNU Online YouTube page where we recommend all students not only to definitely check it out, but to subscribe. By subscribing, this gives you direct access to any student updates any resource tutorials that we do have on our YouTube page, and any live stream. So any students that are currently, if you're currently viewing our live stream, you're doing so by our FNU online YouTube page. Okay, we have several tutorials, everything from very basic of how to log into Blackboard, and something a little bit more complex to how to utilize Respondus lockdown browser should you need it for a course. So again, please know that we are always here to assist you, and subscribe to our FNU online YouTube page for additional resources. Once you have logged in to your Blackboard account and you have clicked on your course, in order for any of our students who are currently ground students, but due to our current event that is currently happening, have been transitioned to online courses, after you will have several steps. Step 1 is to log into your Blackboard account. Step 2 is to click and select the name of your course, which will take you inside of the course. And step 3, once you are inside of your course, you will find and locate the BB Collaborate option inside of your course, which is on the left hand side of the left side menu inside of your course. Once you locate BB Collaborate, this is what will take you, and you will be asked to join a room. You will be asked to join the live room session. I cannot stress this enough. Students, for any student who their course has been a ground course that has transitioned to an online course, you have to log in at your regularly scheduled time. Okay? For example, if your class is from Monday through Thursdays, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., you have to log in to your Blackboard account and join your online room within those times, exactly at those times. Please note that your professor will be taking attendance, and you are expected to attend your courses. Okay? Should you have any questions, please contact us at bbsupport@fnu.edu. That is the most direct way that should any students have any questions, that is our email address. And we are always here to assist you, especially in this time, for any students that currently need any help, any additional help. So again, our email address here at our Blackboard department, at the Distance Learning Department, is bbsupport@fnu.edu. I want to thank everyone who joined and viewed our live stream. Thank you.